Looking for the best air fryer in the market? Today, we delve into the world of smart cooking with the Ninja Foodi Max Dual Zone Air Fryer. Imagine revolutionizing your kitchen experience with a gadget that not only prepares your meals quicker, but also healthier. Think less fat, more flavor, and all in record time. This isn't just cooking, this is a culinary revolution. So, is this the game changer you've been waiting for? Let's see if the Ninja Foodi Max Dual Zone Air Fryer is the game changer you've been searching for. The Ninja Foodi Max Dual Zone Air Fryer is not just your average air fryer. This culinary marvel steps up the game with its remarkable features that cater to every home cook's needs. One of its standout features is the dual zone technology. Imagine this, you're preparing dinner and you have two dishes that need to go in the oven, but they require different temperatures and cooking times. Usually, you'd have to cook them separately, which can be time-consuming. But with the Ninja Foodi Max, you can cook them both at once, each in its own drawer, each at its own temperature and time. Now that's what we call cooking efficiency. But that's not all. This air fryer also brings to the table a smart cook system that offers 6 different cooking functions. You can air fry, roast, reheat, dehydrate, bake, and grill. Whether you want to make crispy fries, succulent roast chicken, or even homemade jerky, the Ninja Foodi Max has got you covered. Now, let's talk size. This air fryer has a large 9.5-litre capacity, making it perfect for family meals or when you're entertaining guests. You can cook a large batch of food all at once, cutting down your time in the kitchen. And let's not forget about its 2 separate drawers. This design provides flexibility in cooking, allowing you to prepare different dishes without any flavor transfer. But what does all this mean for you, the home cook? In a nutshell, the Ninja Foodi Max Dual Zone Air Fryer is designed with efficiency and versatility in mind. This air fryer is more than just a fryer, it's a gadget that redefines the entire cooking experience. Its dual zone technology allows for simultaneous cooking of 2 different meals, saving you precious time. Then there's the Smart Cook system, which adjusts the cooking process based on the type of food you're preparing, ensuring perfect results every time. But the features don't stop there. With a large capacity of 9.5 litres, you can easily cook for the whole family, and the 2 separate drawers mean you can keep your dishes separate, eliminating cross-contamination. These features come together to make meal preparation easier and quicker, enhancing your overall cooking experience. So if you're looking for an air fryer that offers more than just frying, the Ninja Foodi Max Dual Zone Air Fryer might just be your new kitchen partner.